Hello everyone, and welcome to our science lesson for today. We're going to be looking at teeth again, but we're also going to be looking at animal teeth and how they are similar and different to human teeth. So I'm going to share our screen now, and we're going to have a look at some slides to talk ourselves through. Okay, so we're still looking at biology in our science, and we're still looking at teeth and their functions. So let's remind ourselves of what the different teeth are used for. Incisors, which are the teeth right at the front, are used for biting and cutting food. Think about biting into an apple. It's your incisors that bite into the apple and cut it up. And they're at the front of the mouth, and you have 8 of them, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. The canines are used for ripping and tearing food, and your canines are on either side of your incisors, and you have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. The word canine means something connected to dogs, and as you can see, the canine teeth are often pointy, a bit like the teeth of a dog or wolf. Your premolars and molars are towards the back of your mouth. They are bigger and wider than incisors and canines, and this is because of their functions. Premolars are used for holding and crushing food, and at the very back of the mouth, the molars, which are bigger versions, they chew and grind up food, working with your tongue to prepare food ready for swallowing. And wisdom teeth are an extra set of molars right at the very back of your mouth. And although they've got a strange name, wisdom teeth, they're nothing to do with being clever. Scientists think wisdom teeth came from a very long time ago, when our ancestors ate a diet of coarser, rougher food. They needed an extra set of molars to chew up the food. They would eat a lot more raw vegetables and tough roots. And over time, the humans' diets have changed, and now wisdom teeth really don't have any function. And they don't normally appear until you're an adult, when you're around 18 or sometimes a bit older. So let's have a look at some other animals and see how their teeth differ from ours. Look at these animals' teeth. What types of teeth can you see? Look at this. I think it's an alligator. It might be a crocodile. I'm not quite sure. But look at his teeth. They are all just sharp and pointy. They're like the canine teeth. I can't see any molars anywhere in his mouth. And look at this tiger. Look at the enormous canine teeth that it has. It has got some more molar-like teeth at the back, but they're still incredibly sharp and pointy. What sort of food do you think these animals eat? Do they eat lettuce and carrots? Or do you think they eat meat and they use those sharp teeth to rip and tear their meat apart? They don't cook it like we do they? They eat it raw, so it'll be a bit tougher and harder. So maybe those sharp teeth are really important for that. Now look at these guys. I love this photo of the horse. He looks really funny. But look, you can see what sort of teeth has he got at the front. And this little guinea pig. Really sharp incisors. Just the incisors. The horse, although you can't see it quite here, has got some molars at the back, but they've got no canine teeth. And these little fellas, they've just got these incisors for chomping through. So what sort of food do you think they might eat? I've never seen a horse eating meat, and I don't think I'd give a guinea pig a piece of beef or chicken, do you? These are vegetarian animals, they're herbivores, so they just eat fruits and vegetables. So they don't need the canine teeth in the same way that we do and that tigers and crocodiles do. They don't have any canine teeth at all. Now look at this beaver's teeth. What kind of teeth can you see? I can only see these very 2 long teeth at the front. These beavers are also herbivores. They just eat vegetation, sort of green plants and foods. But they also use their teeth for chopping through wood. Their teeth don't stop growing, unlike ours. Ours don't keep growing, they stop at a certain size. But a beaver carries on, his teeth carry on growing and they get really, really long. So they grind their teeth against wood. And they also chop down wood to make their dens, so across the water. So their teeth are really important. It's really important they have these big, sharp teeth to be able to chop through the wood. And it also stops them from growing too long by grinding their teeth against the wood. So how does the food an animal eat affect what type of teeth they have? Think back to what we've just seen. Think back to the type of teeth we saw in the tiger and the crocodile. Think back to the type of teeth we saw in the guinea pig and the horse. Their teeth are designed for what their diet consists of. They're especially adapted for the type of food they want to eat. Now, there is a video linked to your assignment that I want you to watch, which talks a little bit more about teeth and how animals have different teeth and why. Watch that and then complete the questions on the Google Doc that's linked to your assignment. Make sure that you hand in your completed work. And I expect your answers to be in complete sentences and that you've written them using capital letters to start the sentences and full stops to finish them. Make sure you read through your answers really carefully before you hand your work in. Does it make sense? Do you need to go back and edit it to make sure that your sentences make sense? And please don't just cut and paste information that you find. Read through the information and then put it into your own words, as this shows me that you have understood what you have read. Quite often I see people have cut and pasted information and they've left half of the next sentence in, or it doesn't quite make sense, the bit that they have cut and pasted. So please write it in your own words. And if you don't want to do it on the document, I am more than happy for you to write your answers beautifully on paper and take a photo and upload it either to Google Classroom or to Class Dojo. It's really important that we see the work that you produce and you do it to the best of your ability. I know we're not in school at the moment, but you are still learning, and I still want you to have pride in your work and make a real effort in the work that you complete. Enjoy watching the video, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your amazing work. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now, and I'm going to come back. There we go. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoy answering all the questions. Give me as much detail as you can. Take care, and I'll see you soon.